Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to clean a split air conditioner properly. I am using a pressure washer to clean the evaporator coils, blower wheel and drain pan. I will be explaining each step in detail, so make sure you stick around the entire video. In part 1 I will show you indoor unit cleaning process, and in part 2 I will show you the outdoor unit cleaning process. I will post the links in the description. First, turn off the circuit breaker or MCB of the air conditioner. This is a Blue Star brand split air conditioner. So let's start disassembling it. Open the front panel over the position where it stops. Unscrew the electrical box and disconnect the connectors of the LED display. Unlock the front panel from both sides and remove it. There are 4 screws in the main body. Unscrew all one by one. Remove the horizontal blades. Unfasten both center shafts and then bend the vane slightly. First unfasten the left shaft and then right shaft. There is a key alignment at the right shaft. When reassembling, insert the right shaft properly. There are 3 screws under these covers. Unscrew all. Unfasten the hooks at the top carefully. Pull the upper part of the front panel out, lift the lower part and then remove the front panel. So now the indoor unit is ready for cleaning. I have covered the electronics circuit and all other PCB using plastic cover so that water drops don't enter this part. Also, I have covered the indoor unit using a cleaning cover as shown in the video. Using the 90-degree nozzle, clean the backside of the evaporator coils and go from left to right slowly. Now using the fan spray nozzle, clean the coils from the front side, go from top to bottom and rinse the coils thoroughly. Clean the blower wheel. Hold the blower wheel with one hand to avoid it revolving. So the indoor unit cleaning is almost done. Now we clean the front panel, air filters and horizontal vane. First, remove the LED display from the front panel. Now clean the main body, front panel, air filter and horizontal vane back and forth. After cleaning, wipe all the parts with microfiber cloth. Now repeat the same steps in reverse order to assemble the indoor unit. First install the LED display on the front panel and screw it tightly. Install the main body cover and tighten the all screws. Install the horizontal vane. First insert the right shaft and then the left shaft, and then insert the center shafts while bending it a little. Then install the front cover and connect the LED display connectors. And at last install the air filter and close the front cover. So that was the whole process of cleaning the air conditioner properly. If you have any questions regarding this, let me know in the comment section. You can also connect with me on Instagram So that is all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more videos.